If you want to free up the storage space on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we can open Settings on our phone. Next, we're gonna scroll down in here, and then you want to go to the storage option. And after that, you can see the list of different categories and how much space they take. So you get a clear indicator of what takes the most space, whether these are the audio files that take most of the space, or images, or videos, and so on and so forth. You can of course tap on these categories in order to immediately open these files, and then of course you can manage them, you can delete them if you need to clear the space. But also there is the bin option that allows you to quickly jump to trash in order to remove files that are stored in trash, because usually if you delete something, it is sent to trash instead of being deleted forever. So you have the option to recover these files in case you change your mind, and they last there for 30 days. And that is pretty much it. And of course, we also have the free up space option in here at the top of this list, which allows you to jump to the clean section in the Files app, and you can find, for example, some duplicates. You can find some other suggestions in here that you may want to take a look at in order to, for example, get rid of some files that you might not need on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Of course, you can decide to select files and choose whatever you want to remove, and that is pretty much it. As you can see, in the case of duplicates, we have a preview of them, and you can decide which files you want to keep or delete actually. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.